Hello viewers, let's continue our LeetCode 75 series in which we have solved 11 questions out of 75, and now we have to solve a question of two-pointer, third question of a two-pointer, which is container with most water. So in this question there is given a vector height and you have to return the area of maximum container. Okay, so here is given a height of a container and you have to find the maximum area of the container, and after this you have to return the area. Okay, so first I will explain this question. You have to find the area. So how you can find it? First I will put st, which is at initial position 0. Okay, this is the index 1 2 3 4 5 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so this is the index and here is st and here is end. Okay, ed I will and ed will be at the end position and st will be initially at 0th position. Okay, so st is at 0th position and ed will be at 8th position. You have to find the area. Okay, so I will create an area which is initially 0 and max area it is also 0. Okay, so how you can find it? You will create a while loop. uh, you will create a while loop in which st should be less than end. Okay, ed st should be less than end and you will find the area. How you will find the area? Area should be minimum of this is the minimum of height of st comma height of ed. Okay, this will give the minimum and into ed minus st. Okay, so this is the approach. For the first, you have to find the minimum. The minimum of s of st and ed is 1 into ed minus st. Ed is basically 8 and st is 0. So 8 minus 0 is 8. So the area is 8. Okay, so the area is 8 and maximum area is also 8. Okay, and after this you have to check if st of height is greater than height of ed, then you just have to do ed minus minus, and if it is not, then you just have to do st plus plus. Okay, you have to check whether it is greater or smaller. Of course it is smaller, so I will do the ed a minus minus. Okay, so let's write the code for it. Int st equals to 0, int end equals to height dot size. This will store the size, and int area equals to 0, int max area should, I will not initialize it, int max area equals to 0, and then while st dot end you have to find area which is minimum of height of st comma height of ed. Okay, This will find the minimum, and after this you just have to do and minus st, and max area is equals to maximum of max area comma area. Okay, you have to check if height of st is greater than height of end, then you have to do end minus minus, else you have to do st plus plus. Okay, else you have to do st plus plus, and after this you just have to return max area. Okay, so let's run this code. Okay, where is the error? There is a runtime error, so I will do the absolute of this. Okay, no, absolute of this, because abs. Let's run this code. Oh, where is, okay, it is in height minus 1. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been submitted. Thanks for watching.